Hey guys, welcome back to J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my oven jerk chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and follow me on Facebook. It's J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram. It's KaliKitchen_1. And remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, remember to share with your family and friends and tell them about J's Kitchen. So here I have my chicken. I also have my powdered seasoning that I'm gonna season my chicken with. I also have some honey. I also have my jerk seasoning and I have some vegetable oil. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the vegetable oil over the chicken. The reason for doing this, I don't want my chicken to dry out. I want it to have some form of moisture. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the powdered seasoning. And also, I know a lot of you might ask why I add the honey. I want it to have this little sweetish taste, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some honey, and this is basically just a teaspoon of honey that I'm adding. All right, so now I'm gonna go in and add the jerk seasoning, and guys, I'm using the mild jerk seasoning. Now you can go ahead and add the other jerk seasonings at you can go to your local supermarket and you can get various jerk seasoning, but for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the mild jerk seasoning. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in and use my hand to just combine both the seasoning and the chicken together, and of course I'm gonna put this in the fridge for roughly 3 to 4 hours before I come back and show you how I'm gonna jerk my chicken. All right, and guys, you want to always ensure that your chicken is well seasoned because you want to taste all of that jerk seasoning. You want to get all of that niceness from your chicken, so always ensure that you season your chicken properly. And also, if you want to go ahead and make your own jerk seasoning, even better, why not try that? So I will upload a new video to show you guys how to make your own jerk seasoning. All right, so as I said before, I'm going to cover this, leave it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours before we start cooking. All right, so guys, go ahead and remember to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. All right, if you're watching this video, make sure you subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family members about J's Kitchen. So now it's time to go ahead and start my oven jerk chicken. As you can see, I have my pan that I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add them to this nice little pan, or if you want to say baking sheet, but for me, I'm just gonna say it's a pan. And I added some cooking spray to the bottom of it. Again, we want that moisture. And guys, please note, I'm not going to cover this with foil paper. I'm going to leave it open in the oven. All right, so basically I'm going to start baking this for 15 minutes. And while I'm doing this, please note that my oven is already preheated at 250 degrees. So I'm just going to place this in the oven. Then we're going to go ahead and make the sauce for our jerk chicken. All right, so as you can see, this is basically, I'm going to use some Johnniewalker black label. I also added some brown sugar, and I'm going to use the seasoning, the leftover seasoning from the chicken, some barbecue sauce, and I also have some ketchup. So I'm just going to combine all of this together. Then I'm going to boil it for roughly 5 minutes. Then I'm going to put it to the side. Then we're going to come back and we're going to show you the chicken after 15 minutes. All right, and guys, you can go ahead and taste this. Sometime it might need some more brown sugar. You can go ahead, depending on your taste. All right, so if it needs some more sugar, you can go in and add some more sugar. If it needs some more spice, go in and add some more spice. All right, so guys, this is the sauce for the chicken. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, this is what my oven jerk chicken looks like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip it over on the other side, and then we are going to put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. This takes roughly 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna place it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and show you what it looks like after 30 minutes. Alright. And guys, as you can see, it did not spring a lot of water or a lot of juice. So whatever I see in there, I'm just gonna place it on the chicken because I want to lock in that moisture in the chicken. I don't want it to be dry. Alright. Because I don't like my jerk chicken too dry. I don't know about you guys, but I don't want my jerk chicken too dry. Alright. So guys, remember to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen, and follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1. Alright guys, so this is after 30 minutes. Look at this goodness. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna flip them over on the other side. As you can see, it's coming along quite fine. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to go ahead and put this back in the oven after I finish flipping it for another 15 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so after 45 minutes, this is what my oven jerk chicken looks like. As you can see, I served this up with some coconut pasta. I also have some lemonade drink. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you also try my Johnniewalker jerk sauce. Once again guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.